Alright, today we are going to be installing GNS3, just a basic installation. We are just going to be installing GNS3 today on a Windows machine, all the way from downloading it, the whole installation, and then create another video for how to get GNS3 VMware going as well, in case you want to put any emulators or packages on top of it. So for right now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to gns3.com. You're going to come here, it says free download, click on that. If you are not logged in, you are going to have to create an account. So I'm already logged in here, but there should be a little icon up here that says, create account. So just do that. You have to make sure you register with your email address and all that kind of stuff. Confirm. Once you do that, come back in here and hit download. Once you hit download, I've already done it, and you will be taken to, you'll get a program file like this. Just double click on it. This is the all-in-one installer. Hit yes, and then we're just going to step through this. When you get to this step, you do not have to click this GNS3 VMware. We're going to do that in the next step, so you can leave that unchecked. This should how it should be defaulted. So just leave it like this and hit next. Set it wherever you want to. Hit next, and it's going to install. So I'll kind of speed this up and let this roll. Okay, so this should be the point that you get to where you can actually start GNS3. If your computer has not already installed some of the PCAP stuff, Wireshark, it will prompt you to install those as well as you go through. So just continue to hit next until you get to this point, and then you should be good to go. You hit finish, you'll be presented with, yes, thank you, do you want to buy this? Nope, nope, we don't want to do that. And then it's going to take a little bit, and then GNS should pop up. Okay, so once you get to this point, you're pretty much good to go. You're going to be asked here to run a VMware or run a local. Doesn't really matter what you choose right now because this is not going to work. We're just going to say local for right now. It's going to ask for your local server path. Next is okay. Localhost is what we're going to be running everything on. And then it says you're successful. Hit next. You're good to go. Now, this is what you're going to be presented with in GNS3 right off the bat. You're going to notice over here your server. This is your local server on your desktop. So this is your machine. So you can see your CPU usage, your RAM, how much RAM you're actually using. If you want to change any of this stuff, you're going to go to Edit and Preferences. This is where you're going to make changes to everything, including your GNS VMware, which we'll do next. So if you want to if you would like to make changes in GNS3, you're going to go to Edit and then Preferences. This is going to be where you're going to make all your configuration changes. If you want to switch off of your Solar PuTTY and use a normal PuTTY program, that's what I do. I switch to PuTTY, so you can just click on there. There's a whole bunch in here. If you use Secure CRT or Royal, you can use anything that you want. I like using PuTTY. The next thing we're going to work on the next video, we're actually going to go into how to install and get GNS3 VMware going. That's going to be working through virtual. In the next video, I'm going to be showing how to install GNS3 VMware. We're going to be doing that through VirtualBox, so stay tuned for that one.